The forward collision warning light on your dashboard indicates a problem with your vehicle's pre-collision safety system. This critical system uses advanced sensors to detect potential collisions and warn you before they happen. Modern vehicles use multiple types of sensors working together to monitor the road ahead. These include radar sensors, forward-facing cameras, and in premium vehicles, LiDAR units. Several factors can cause FCW malfunctions in 2024 and 2025. Environmental conditions are a major cause. Heavy rain, snow, or fog can block sensors and trigger false warnings. Sensor contamination is another frequent issue. Dirt, salt, or debris can accumulate on sensors, especially during winter months. Software glitches and component misalignment after repairs also cause problems. Semiconductor shortages have created additional challenges. Manufacturers are using alternative sensor suppliers, which can cause compatibility issues between different components in the system. When your FCW light comes on, start with basic troubleshooting steps. First, clean all sensors with appropriate cleaning solutions. Check your owner's manual for sensor locations, typically on the front bumper and behind the rearview mirror. Understanding warning light colors is crucial. An amber or yellow FCW light typically indicates a system malfunction or temporary disablement. A red FCW light signals a critical failure requiring immediate attention. Pay special attention to recent events that might affect your system. Windshield replacements are particularly important to note, as they can cause sensor misalignment, requiring professional recalibration. Remember, these initial steps can resolve many common FCW issues. However, if the light persists after basic troubleshooting, professional diagnosis may be required to identify more complex problems. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve forward collision warning issues, advanced solutions become necessary. Professional calibration is often the next critical step. Professional calibration involves two main approaches: static calibration using manufacturer-specific targets, and dynamic calibration through controlled test drives. Improper aftermarket windshield installations are a frequent cause of FCW malfunctions. These installations often fail to follow OEM calibration procedures, leading to sensor misalignment. Advanced diagnostics include CAN bus analysis to identify communication errors and sensor output verification using oscilloscopes to analyze signal patterns. Software-related issues account for 45% of all FCW malfunctions, making system updates critically important for proper operation. When sensors require replacement, costs typically range from $1,200 to $3,500, including parts, labor, and calibration procedures. Toyota Camry and RAV4 models experienced widespread FCW malfunctions in 2024 due to software conflicts. An over-the-air update was released, successfully resolving issues in 95% of affected vehicles.